Good afternoon, good morning, uh, wherever you are. This is your host Peter from Sun Insurance. Just wanted to shoot a quick video to help some of my customers on how to use the load board to look for loads. And the load board I'm going to use today for demonstration is called Sylectus, the load board, which is very user friendly and it is widely used in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. So please stay with me and watch the video from the start to the end because it pretty much shows you if you're a tracker, and that's what you'll be doing every day as a dispatch. So welcome. First of all, if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, share the video, like it, turn your notification on, so every time I do a new video, you are notified automatically. The load board is called Sylectus, and its headquarters is in Canada. So this is Sylectus here, and this is how this browser looks like. It's very user friendly and it gives an opportunity to input some of the parameters which you think might help you to achieve your goals. So the first thing is to log in, which of course I did, and for this demonstration, just to save time. So once you log into your account, this is what you're gonna see on your left side here. So we have the users, customers, the fleets, the orders, dispatch, reports, alliance, and other things. But for today, I'm going to concentrate on the orders and show you how you are supposed to book loads. So if you click on the orders and then click on the manage posted orders. So this window comes up and this is where you are required to enter the date. And if you have availability of a unity, so this is where the day you have availability. So it's usually arranged from the pickup date, and so you want from, let's say today is Sunday, June 20th, 2021. So you want it through this day. If you want it the next day, so you change to the 21st. But for this purpose of demonstration, I'm gonna use the same day. So when you come down here, it says load type. So we have varieties of types. So you have to choose what you are. For example, if you are expedited, you are a courier, a large trade, climate control, and all this. But in most cases, I suggest that you leave it blank, don't check any box, because it's gonna pull everything. So from there you can select. And even the weight, you don't have to do anything, because once it's posted, you pick the weight which can accommodate the unit you have. So from here it says, so you want a load which is within 200-mile radius, and then from, let's say you are in Columbus, and Columbus, Ohio, right here, and then to city and state, to increase the chances of getting more loads, more results, you can leave it blank, and where it says select state, you can say any state if you are searching within the United States. And once you select this, you come down here, the computer is going to refresh. You can change. It can refresh in 1 minute, 2 minutes. The maximum is, I usually use 10 minutes. And if you do a search, it's going to search all the postings. So I believe it's because today is a Sunday, and usually the brokers' offices are closed. They are not shipping. So if it was a Monday, you can find more results. So if you wanted to check if they have Monday loads, you can change the date here and then do a search. You see, the search has produced more results. For example, we have, if you choose your unit you have, this is a tractor. And usually here, this is the broker who posted the load. Their name is, for example, this is Try Hours Logistics. This is Ray Tracking. And this is Block Transportation LLC. On this column here, this is the load number and the broker MC number, because every broker has an MC number, the motor carrier number. And then this one is the order number, or sometimes the amount, if the broker decides to post the price they're willing to offer, it appears right here. And this is the picker bat. It tells you the city and the state and the date and time. Okay, so this one is where it's being delivered to. This one is from Florence, Kentucky to Lansing, Michigan. This is when the post expires. This is the vehicle size and the miles. And this is the weight and pieces. So let's say if you had a vehicle which is closer to Columbus, Ohio, what you can do is you kind of check, because this one is supposed to be on Monday, 10 o'clock. So if you think you want to be having a vehicle close to Columbus, Ohio, you can kind of check the distance from Columbus, Ohio to Florence, Kentucky. So if you check using this map, the Bing Maps, it shows you from Columbus, Ohio to Florence, Kentucky is going to take you 120 miles to drive, which approximately takes, if there's no traffic, an hour and 48 minutes. And if you think this is what you are looking and you're going to be on time to the pickup, so you go back here and look at the broker's email address. Usually it is posted here. So this is the broker's email address. You can copy, and after you get the rate confirmation, you will fill it out, sign it, and send it back. And then the next thing is to dispatch your driver, and your driver goes to the pickup. Now, when this load has been tendered to you and you are on this load, you can also use these selectors to track. You can go to dispatch and check the loads which have been tendered to your company. So the loads would appear here, and this is where you can go to the system and update it. When the driver has arrived on site, you go say arrived, you put the time, and then when the flight is loaded, you go and say the weight, pieces, and the bill of lading number. And this one automatically sends a message to the broker who gave you the load, and they will see the updates, the real-time updates, and basically that's what you do, and that's it. So if you have 20 drivers, you keep doing the same thing, but you might need to open the windows. If you have 10 of them, every one of them you have to kind of go in and put the location, the city, and the state where they are, and search from that location. And guys, thank you. That's it. And if you like this video, please consider to subscribe. And I hope the trackers, you learned something today, and enjoy using the board. Bye bye.